Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the iPhone 17e. For that you will need the buttons So we will need the power button and as well the volume up button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having a screenshot. After you're able also here at the corners to crop a part of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or something like this. What you can do as well is if you're tapping here on the pen, you can draw something inside or you can highlight something. Below you can choose the pen and as well the colors. If you're ready with it, you can share this edited part here directly or with the checkbox. You will send it to your photos or to the files. You can decide that now. I'm a fan of the photos. And yeah, apropos, where are my screenshots right now? Of course, here the photos. You can see it. By the way, at the collections, you will have an own folder here at pinned. An own folder for your screenshots for a better overview. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for more videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.